Hi, welcome to Daisy, our 1969 Bluebird Caravan. When she got to us, she was full of holes, damp and rot, and I pretty much had no idea what I was doing. We are about halfway through now. We've done most of the major jobs, and we are finally almost done with sanding. I do not like sanding anymore. Anyone who's ever sanded a caravan, you have my love. It is hard work. So here is Daisy, our 1969 caravan, and today, finally, I may have finished sanding her. Wish me luck. Hi, Bubby. You're sitting, Daisy, good boy. The kids out. So what I'm doing is I'm not using any power here. It's okay.
Sorry, mummies.
It's alright, he spilt a large amount of Lego all over the van. Didn't you, Bubby?
Cheats.
Jeez, good job. Go back in the van then. Or do you need a wee?
No thanks.
Okay, go on then in the van.
But I said cheats.
Okay, say cheese. Go on
Cheats.
then, off you go. If you like my channel and want to see more, wink wink, nudge nudge, please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.